Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone looking to venture into the world of cybersecurity. Before you take the plunge, there are some essential things you should learn to set yourself up for success. First on the list is understanding hardware. This means grasping the physical components of computers and other devices. From processors to peripherals, knowing the ins and outs will provide a solid foundation for your cybersecurity journey. Next up, software. Get acquainted with operating systems like Windows and Linux, as well as various applications and tools. These software systems are the backbone of computing, and knowing how they operate is key to understanding cybersecurity principles. Networking is another crucial area to master. Learn about the flow of data between devices and the protocols that govern communication. A solid understanding of networking fundamentals will be invaluable as you delve deeper into cybersecurity. Don't forget about applications. Familiarize yourself with the software programs used for specific tasks, such as word processing or email. Knowing how these applications function will give you insights into potential security vulnerabilities. Last but certainly not least, security basics. Get to know the fundamental concepts and elements of cybersecurity. Understanding things like encryption, authentication, and access control will be essential as you begin your cybersecurity journey. In addition to these technical skills, it's important to develop practical abilities like configuring and troubleshooting. These hands-on skills will be invaluable as you navigate the complexities of cybersecurity in real-world scenarios. So, before you dive headfirst into cybersecurity, make sure you've built a strong foundation in these key areas. With the right knowledge and skills under your belt, you'll be well equipped to tackle the challenges that lie ahead. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.